Yo, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video.
Hey, Dad, can you open my water? Can you open my drink?
Yeah, open your drink. Oh, sorry.
Open
We are at Walmart.
Yeah,
What are we doing at Walmart, Grandma?
doing TikTok.
No, we're making a YouTube video, Grandma. We moved on from TikTok, bro. TikTok is where we started, so make sure y'all go follow us on there. But look, we're expanding to YouTube, so you guys like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Open my chocolate.
Let me put the YouTube video up here then. Let me set it up so we can talk to them. Alright, tell everybody good morning. Tell everybody good morning.
Good morning.
So what are y'all plans today?
What are your plans today?
So what are y'all doing today?
They grow tomatoes.
They what?
Grow tomatoes.
Are you guys growing tomatoes? Are you guys growing tomatoes today? You guys are silly. You silly goose. You guys are silly gooses. Bang! So look. So today, Grayland's got therapy at 11:30, so we're just wasting time. We're just wasting time hanging out, right? Yeah, we're just hanging out, and then we're gonna go eat some breakfast.
Yeah, we're gonna get a crunch wrap.
We're gonna get a crunch wrap, and then we're gonna take him to therapy. Well, school. This is school, so I go to school, man.
I go to school and get a crunch wrap. I want to get a crunch wrap right now. Soon.
It's not open yet. That's why we're making a video. Wasting time.
Go wait for it to open.
We're gonna wait for it to open. We're gonna go get some breakfast. Hey, there's a fly. Pow! Y'all see how fast that is? I got fast hands. Hey, you know how they got those content creator boxing matches? Y'all should go vote for me. Marshall Island boy boxes and fights for the Marshall Islands. Content creating boxing matches. Yeah, bro. I'll put y'all on the map, bro. I'll knock somebody out. Boom!
Don't do that, boss.
I'll knock people out like that, Gray. Just one punch. Boom! Like one punch, like Luffy. My friend Carter, Black Panther. He loves Luffy from One Piece. Have you guys seen One Piece? It's an anime show. Who's into anime? I want to know if some of my fans like anime or not. Godzilla? What are you talking about, man? You being silly, man. Hey, smile. This is going to be our thumbnail. Do this. He said, why you give him a thumbs down, bro? You got to give him likes. Say, like the video.
Like the video.
Comment. And subscribe to us. So we are going to be unstoppable.
I'm going to be unstoppable.
We're going to be unstoppable. Say, Komoro. Ba Komoro.
Komoro.
Like. In Majoro is unstoppable. Unstoppable. Yeah.
You win, bro. You win.
I win, y'all.
Hey, yeah, bro.
Alright, let me do the favorite dance they like, Greg. Come here. Let's do it. You know how they go. If y'all don't know, hey, let me tell them a story quick, huh? If y'all don't know, that is the dance that got us super viral on TikTok.
Why are we kissing?
Yeah, that boy got wet kisses. Nasty, boy. Hey, make sure y'all go follow us on TikTok at The Family Clown David. Make sure you go to my Facebook page.
Let's get a Facebook page.
Oh yeah, we do got a Facebook page. It's David Darden. It's my name. What's your name? Tell them your name.
Grayland Wayne.
Grayland Wayne.
What my teeth?
Huh? Oh, look at his teeth. Yeah, that's the camera right there. So you gotta look at that one. This one. That's the camera, right? You see that circle right there? That's the camera. Yeah. So tell them what's wrong with your teeth. Tell them what's gonna happen.
The toothpaste gonna get out.
Oh, the tooth fairy. Hey, he said the tooth fairy is gonna get his teeth out.
No, it's gonna fall off.
Oh, his teeth gonna fall off, chat. So you guys make sure y'all pray for his teeth, because Jesus is gonna help him get a new big boy teeth. Now his baby teeth are going off. They're falling off. So his big boy teeth are coming in like mine. You're gonna have teeth like me, Gray. You're gonna smile like me. Smile like me. Cheese. I love you. I love you. Hey, tell them who we're doing it for. Tell these people why we're doing everything that we do. Says for Olive, Aramit, and Mejero. Say Komoro, Enich, represent Mejero. Joe, say Komiang, George, Yum, subscribe. Come on. Alright, now you say whatever you want. Tell them about school. Tell them what you do at school. Tell them what you do at school, so they can know.
I got my friends at school today.
Oh, you got friends at school today?
Yeah, I got Henry.
You got Herring?
Henry.
He's got Henry. He's got a friend named Henry. He's got a friend named DK. He's got a friend named Christian. He's got a friend named Obles. That's your name?
Yeah, Obles.
That's
And Jensen.
And Jensen. You got a friend named Jensen. I got lots of friends. Can I name my friends off? Can I say my friend's name?
Yeah.
David Darden. David Darden. David Darden. David Darden. David Darden. What?
Can I say your friend's name?
That is my friend's name.
No, it's not.
David Darden. David Darden.
Dad! It's not David Darden. You got a lot of friends I saw at Chinese. You remember at a restaurant? I saw your friends.
At a restaurant.
You remember that?
Oh yeah, when I was working at K&G. Hey, shout out to everybody at K&G. I love you guys, and I hope you guys. That was K&G fiberglass company. You do fiberglass. Anyways, say Caleb. Say Caleb. Dakota. Kyle. Matt. Brian. Joe. Taylor. Franco. Puppy, what's his name? What puppy name, Grandland? The tall guy, remember? Man, come on. I'm sorry, Puppy. I forgot your name. Oh, man, what's his name, Grandland? What's his name? Miguel. Miguelito, Papi. ¿Qué pasó, güey? ¿Qué pasó?
Miguel, he's my friend.
Yeah, Miguel is your friend. Miguel is my friend. He's an old head with some knowledge on his head. He's a whole head with some knowledge in his head.
He could be my
He's got a bunch of wisdom. Miguel taught me a lot of wisdom, a lot of knowledge. So, shout out to Miguel. Shout out to K&G. Brian Zam. That was my boss. That was my boss in my last job. Brian Zam. Hey.
Dad.
I love y'all. Hey, I'm going to come see y'all soon, so
Dad.
make sure y'all like my video, comment, subscribe.
Dad.
I'm going to go bring y'all lunch.
Dad.
What?
Miguel is my uncle.
Miguel is your uncle?
Yeah.
No, Miguel, you're not his uncle. You are not his uncle, Miguel. No, puppy way. No, puppy way.
Yes.
But like I was saying, y'all, me and Graylan isn't wasting time. We're gonna go eat breakfast now, so you guys like, comment, and subscribe to us. Let's back up a little bit, Gray, so we can tell them bye. Say like, comment, subscribe. Come here. You gotta come here and say it. Nah, never mind. Let's say it right here. Let's sit up here and say it. Come on this side so they can see you. Alright, so look, chat. We finna go eat breakfast. Stand up, Gray, so they can see your Walmart sign. So they can see the Walmart sign. Alright, so we out.
We out.
So see y'all in the next video.
See y'all in the next video at our car.
Yeah, so make sure y'all come in, tune in, subscribe, follow us on all of our social media pages. And we are up next. You hitting suckers. Hey, I'm doing this for y'all. I love y'all. Yeah, you guys are not suckers. There's some people who just don't like watching us, girl. Who just thinks that, you know, what we're doing is pointless. What we're doing is... I'm just kidding. We love everybody. Right, Graylin? Yeah, tell them. Say, we love everybody. Say, we love the whole world.
Yeah, we love the whole world.
All right, say, God bless y'all.
God bless you.
Say, God bless.
God bless.
See you later.
See you later.
Peace out. Romayo out.